Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to turn on dim flashing lights automatically on your iPad. Okay, very simple. Simply open your settings application, then select accessibility from the left side, then select motion. You can see here, open that motion settings, then you can see option of dim flashing lights. It is a safety feature for your eyes, and I can see here video content, that video or any content on your screen that detects repeat flashing or strobing lights will be automatically dimmed if you turn on this feature. So you can simply turn on this feature if you don't like that. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.